Welcome to the course wrap-up for developing mobile apps in OutSystems 11. Now that you've completed the mobile app development course, you may be interested in learning other things about OutSystems. So first, congratulations on completing the course, and now that you may wish to continue, you can go to one of two places that will quickly and easily get you more topics to look at. One is to go to the Courses tab inside of the training area. So inside of OutSystems, there is a Learn page that has both training, documentation, and evaluation. And inside of training, you'll find a large list of courses underneath the Courses tab. So there are other courses related to mobile app development, and there are courses like this one, which is designing apps using an architecture framework. So if you're interested in more architecture and things like that, you can find a lot of interesting courses under the Courses tab. There's also a Guided Paths area, and that shows you the guided paths for different roles. Since you're interested in mobile development, there is a mobile development guided path that is focused on just people who are interested in doing mobile development. So all the topics that might be more advanced beyond this course for mobile development would be inside of that guided path. There is a web developer guided path, an architecture guided path, a DevOps guided path. So there are 9 different guided paths that can help you for specific types of roles and what those roles would need to know to use the OutSystems platform effectively. So going to www.outsystems.com/learn can give you places to go ahead and learn more information, and going to the guided paths or the courses is a nice place to start to look for more things to learn. If you wish to, instead of taking an online course, actually participating in a classroom training class, there is Developing OutSystems Web Applications. The Mobile for OutSystems Developers and Developing Mobile Apps Bootcamp is very similar content to what you just completed inside of this online course. So you probably wouldn't need to participate in those because you know most of the information in those. And then there is an Advanced Developer Bootcamp. And the Advanced Developer Bootcamp covers topics from architecture to performance to different types of usability and UI, best practices. So there are a lot of more advanced topics covered in the Advanced Developer Bootcamp. So if you're interested in those, go to Learn and then Classroom Training. So there is the Classroom tab at the top of the page for you to be able to find out more about these courses and the schedule and upcoming dates as to where they might be available as far as the locations they're being taught. Now, I mentioned all of the courses inside of online training. You've just completed the Developing OutSystems mobile apps. There's also Developing Web Apps. There's Modeling Business Processes. There's Architecture. There's Performance Best Practices and all kinds of other courses, master classes, and small units that are available inside of the courses area. So go ahead and look through those. There are so many that it may be more effective to use the search bar and some of the filters that are available at the top of the page. Now that you've completed the course, you are prepared to go and take the Mobile Associate Developer exam. To pass that exam, you'll need a score of 70% or above on the multiple choice test. So there are 50 questions inside of the Mobile Associate Developer exam. They cover all the different topics that were covered in this course, including data modeling, creating the UI of a mobile app, doing the client and server logic that is required, and being able to do data synchronization and plugins and all of the other topics that we covered inside of the course. And as we mentioned early on in the course, there are many different certifications that are possible inside of OutSystems. Since you already have done enough to think about the mobile developer certifications, some others that you might be interested in are the web developer certifications. There is an associate level that the web development course would prepare you for, and then there's a professional level that is a little more advanced, and that's where the Advanced Developer Bootcamp may come in to help you get prepared for that type of certification. OutSystems also has 2 more advanced certifications, including the Associate Tech Lead for technical leads who will be the person guiding a development team of developers inside of different types of projects. So this focuses a bit more on the agile methodology, how to architect and design solutions with OutSystems to take advantage of all of the interesting components and capabilities of the OutSystems platform. And then there's also the OutSystems Expert, where at this point you would have a lot of experience with the platform and be able to do anything that the platform can do. So that would include understanding things like business processes, multi-tenancy, multi-language, and all of the capabilities in the platform. If you're interested in learning more about this, you can go to www.outsystems.com to the Learn page. So it's /learn/certifications, and you can get more details about each of these certifications. And you can also register there to be able to take the exams online or as part of a boot camp and things like that. Last but not least, now that you're done with the courses and you begin doing development on your own, you may run into areas where you might need some help or you might want to get started in the right direction. So you could go to our online community. So if you go to the community area, there is the home, the forums, the forge, and the ideas area. And inside of the forums area, you could go and look for different types of topics that you might be interested in, or post a brand new topic where you have a question and you can ask the community to go ahead and provide an answer. So to do that, www.outsystems.com/community is the right place to get started. So that's it for the mobile app development course. Thank you and congratulations on completing it. We hope you had fun with the course.